Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to enable in-app notifications for message reminders on LinkedIn using your PC, following the latest update. If you want LinkedIn to nudge you about important messages so you never miss a beat, this guide is for you. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage all your preferences. Next, in the left-hand menu, click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts you receive from LinkedIn, including messages, invitations, and updates. Now, scroll through the notification categories and click on Messaging. This is where you can fine-tune how you're notified about your LinkedIn messages. Within the messaging section, find and click on Message Reminders. This feature is designed to remind you to reply to important messages that you might have missed. It's especially helpful for staying on top of your professional conversations. To enable in-app notifications for message reminders, simply switch the toggle to On. Once activated, LinkedIn will send you reminders directly within the app, making sure you're always up to date and never miss responding to key messages. That's it. With these steps, you've ensured that LinkedIn will notify you inside the app whenever you have a message that needs your attention. This small change can help you maintain your professional relationships and respond promptly to new opportunities. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check your other notification settings to customize your LinkedIn experience even further. Thanks for watching and stay connected.